What's the meaning of animosity? Animosity. 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 Animosity.
Animosity refers to a strong feeling of hostility or hatred towards someone or something. When people hold animosity towards one another, it often results in negative actions or behaviors such as resentment, aggression, and conflict. This can be seen in personal relationships, politics, and even between countries. If left unchecked, animosity can lead to lasting grudges and deep-seated divisions. It is important to acknowledge and address animosity in order to promote peace and positive relationships.